Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei device to Nubia Red Magic 7. First of all, you need to access App Gallery on Huawei and Play Store on Nubia. Then click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now on Nubia, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on Huawei. After that, you need to choose Send on your Huawei smartphone and Receive on Nubia. Then tap on all of those dots on Huawei and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. For example, that one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Nubia, choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then select Receive button, but we can also scan this QR code. If you wish to accomplish that, you need to click on this scanning icon on Nubia, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. Wait a bit, and as you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!